Hey YouTube, quick update. I have everything mostly wired up. I just have to clean a little bit, tie everything back up, and then find a place for this thing. Now I'm just gonna show you the end result. Now since I don't have the door on the car yet, I'm using those two things to hold the pin switch on the driver's side and also one on the driver's side. Now the light is flashing blue because I'm next to the car, and also I have the remote with me. If I move away from the car with the remote, the light is gonna be flashing red and blue, which means the alarm is on and also the door lock. When I get close to the car, the light will be flashing blue, which means the door unlock. Now I'm gonna move away from the car again. So the alarm is on and also the door lock. Now if I pull the pin switch, the alarm is gonna go on. Okay YouTube, back to the push button start. Now this wire here is supposed to go to the brake wire, because once you step on the brake, it's going to send a positive signal to the push button start, and then you press on the push button and the car start. But the thing is, I can't find the brake wire. The only wire I can find is this wire. They say it's supposed to be a white wire, but I'm not getting nothing, no positive or ground of this wire. So I'm having a hard time finding my brake wire right now. What I meant is, when you step on the brake, you get a positive sent to the push button start, and then you press on it, the car start. If I press on it right now, the car is gonna start. So you step on the brake, get positive, and car start. So I'm going to open the garage door and start the car. Okay YouTube, I have the garage door open. Now remember, this wire is supposed to go to the brake, and then when you step on it, it's in a positive wire. So I can start it that way. I got positive, then I push on the button